folks. I had to go to pick up stuff from my store, and I was in Walmart. I made a couple of weird little Walmart videos. Picked up some Walmart tools, and one of the first things I picked up, I don't know if I did a review on these, but I bought some more vice grips. Hyper tough. Honestly, I think I have a set of these already. See, hyper tough. They're almost the same as every other tool. The thing I like about these is when you stamp your name in it. Even if these are quality or made at Walmart, 100 years from now, we're all going to know where this came from, because they're not going. The little laser etching is not going to come off. So when you companies make tools, stamp it in it, because see, like this is a Crescent one. Nobody's gonna know who the hell made this, because pretty much somebody's gonna have to probably re-plasti dip the handle here. Somebody's gonna have to re-dip the handle, and this little tiny burned in thing will probably be gone once it rusts over. These are made in China. I wonder, yeah, who knew China? So yeah, China. But whoever designed, I don't know, like did Vice Grip invent this? Like, who has the first patent on these? Because honestly, they're all the same. Whoever's patent expired on these, they make them all the same. And honestly, I was playing with these things, and if you're gonna take $10 pliers and weld with them, honestly, if you're going to burn up these things in a fire, rain of fire, and torture vice grips, don't buy expensive ones. Buy these ones. They work great. I'll use the cheap ones for anything. So that's one of the things I picked up. I also picked up, just for the fun of it, a Hyper Tough three pack. It's not a 2-pack video, it's a 3-pack video. So, see. Hyper Tough 3-piece curved jaw pliers, and 5-year warranty, limited. 5 years from the date of purchase. This product is warranted for original purchaser, free from defects in materials, workshop through normal use. What's normal use? Abuse? In order to obtain this service, please return the item to the place of purchase with a valid proof of purchase, and the defective product will be replaced at no charge. This gives you specific legal rights. Can somebody explain to me how you keep a one of those carbon receipts for 5 years without it turning black? Because when you leave it in a drawer, those stupid receipts, they turn black. And if you take a picture of it and post it on the web and say, this is my receipt, like, oh, not the original, you need the original. So you bring, I should try that one of these days. Be like, look, I bought this 4 months ago, here's the original bill. And just bring them a black receipt and be like, well, it says bring the original receipt. What am I supposed to do? Your stupid bills turn black. So anyway, the tools might be hyper tough, but the receipts aren't. So let me cut this open here. I don't have my special handy dandy D-wall opener because I took the batteries out of my garage. So I need to cut this open like I'm a poor soul here. I gotta watch when you do this. You need to watch when you cut these open, because there's 1,000 ways to slice your hand open. These stupid packaging. 1,000 ways to die. One is definitely with this. Once I was opening a knife, I was holding it, and I opened it, and my hand went in, and I sliced my finger deep from the knife in the package. So we got 3 of these. Here's the back. There's the front. Standard packaging. Now, I don't know. They feel like decent pliers. Locking pliers. I always buy these ones. I like the little tiny ones. And again, hyper tough. Honestly, they feel like pretty decent pliers. The front doesn't line up on this one very well. Got a little oil. Kind of just misaligned a little there, see? But, I mean, if you're just a young buck, like I was at one time, these ones lining pretty good. There's an oil all over these things. The coating on it's reminiscent of the early vice grip, that kind of spotty, whatever. I don't even know, what do you call this coating? Like, what that? It's like a sand finish. Like, is it sandblasted and just? I'm guessing it was probably sandblasted and then nickel or whatever the hell, some copper or whatever kind of plating. But it looks, it's fine. It's probably got same clamping power as 1200 vice grips, or whatever. But it works. See? I mean, I don't know. Maybe at some point you might clamp something and one of these rivets will break. But I suspect that the whoever's making these in China is probably using the same stuff as vice grips. Let's see if I got one here. Let's see if I have one that says. See, there's a small. This is a Milwaukee. Yeah, a little bit different. Here's a little fatter. But let's see. What about the Crescent? Crescent are a little bit. See, they're all the same kind. I mean, these are a little interiors, a little inferior, the little chopping part. There's no real chopper, it's just a crimp part. These ones have the little cutting edge in here, all the Crescent ones. But overall, can't really complain. They're cheap, they're good to burn up and welding and stuff. And I think that was it. Oh, and then I picked up, what do you call it? Picked up something else. I don't know what it was. So yeah, if you're just doing basic, see, that's what I mean. I don't, you can't really see it on here, but this one's like super bright, and this one's dull. This one's like, the finishes are not. These two have a nice, like these two right here, the two small ones, have a similar finish. And this one has there's no shine to it. Like, they screwed up the shine. But I mean, I guess the thing with Walmart brand tools is the quality control is a little bit crappier because there's dents on the side here. There's little nicks. It's just like, we'll just slop it through the line. It looks like it's been thrown in a bin with 5,000 air tools. Like, there's nicks and dents everywhere. These ones too, there's little, because I mean, what, is it getting mauled? Because of me? I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's just a cheap coating. Let's see. Yeah, I think the coating is just cheap. Yeah. It's real cheap. But I mean, if I'm going to do some hammering or grinding, I'll use these in the grinder. I won't use Jesus. I won't use an expensive pair in the grinder, but I can use these. Anyway, I'll end this here. I don't want to talk about locking pliers for 2 hours. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me I like the channel. I'll be doing some more cutting and grinding soon. Thanks for watching.